Well, hello, it's us back again. Now, ever been in that situation where you actually want your phone camera's tiny little sensor to get even less light onto it? Then I'm sure you found yourself thinking, now, if only there was a way to attach my already owned and incredibly expensive filters onto my phone. I mean, you can go out and you can buy, specialist filters, but quality ones come, at a hefty price. Or you could use one like this clip-on jobby that I often employ. But you may already be fortunate enough to own a set of circular filters, such as a variable ND or a polarizer already. And surely it would make much more sense to use these filters that you've already shelled out your hard-earned cash on. Not only that, but you're probably already familiar with that system, that filter system you own. And no wants to have to carry, another filter system around for the one-off occasion you might need to use it. Well, here at During the Meanwhilest headquarters, we've got you covered. We cued the AT music, got some things together, and rigged our very own filter holder using just an old step-up ring, a phone case, and some strong epoxy glue. And here is the end result. A 72mm, or whatever size you need really, circular filter holder for your phone, or again whatever device you might have. And don't worry if you haven't got an old case, you can adapt. You can buy these circular magnets, these things here, to attach anything to the back of your phone really, and they're only a couple of quid. So all you need is a thin but sturdy piece of whatever material you have to hand, like plastic, wood, metal, to which you can attach your filter and the magnet, and hey presto, you've got a whatever size you want circular filter holder again. Now you can probably, definitely actually buy something similar, but where's the fun in that? I mean, this is all about, doing it yourself and using any old bits you probably already own, especially if you've been taking pictures for years, and then enjoying the fruits of your ingenuity. Go on, give it a go. What have you got to lose? An old phone case maybe, and a step-up ring, or a bit of glue. See you tomorrow.